Hello, this is Coach Lisa Chavez here again, and I am talking to you today about strength and conditioning. And today we're going to focus on a body weight exercise for the lower body. This is called the shrimp squat. The reason I love the shrimp squat is because it's actually a suitable exercise for virtually all levels. I'm going to demonstrate 5 different versions of the shrimp squat today. I'll start with the beginner's version, a level 1, and I will work my way up to level 5, explaining the variations as we go. I would recommend that you choose one of these variations that you can perform for anywhere from 5 to 8, maybe as many as 10 repetitions on each leg. Okay, so let's start off with level 1. For level 1, we are going to perform the shrimp squat holding on to something. So you can find a railing, a banister, or a door frame, and you're going to hold on to that with both hands as you try to reach one knee as far back behind you as possible and rest the knee to the ground. As you do so, you can touch the toes down to the ground. And then you're right back up. This is, as I said, level 1 shrimp squat, where you hold on and you also touch the toes down to the ground. You want the knee always to rest heavy to the ground, and you're reaching the right knee far behind the left, maybe a few inches behind. Notice that I'm leaning forward in my upper body. That lean is almost parallel to the shins of the front leg. Just a good cue for you to notice. Toes touch down, and you can push off the toes a little bit as well. As you get a little bit better with this drill, you're going to use the toes less and less. Maybe only for the push-off. Maybe you can get all the way down onto the knee, but you need the toes just for a little push-off. And then you don't need the toes at all. I would say this is level 2. No toes needed, but you're holding on. Little by little, you're going to try to use your arms here less and less. So we're constantly progressing in this exercise, getting stronger and stronger. And once you feel you don't even need to hold on, you're secure with your balance, you're going to get off the railing, get off the wall, and you're going to perform the same drill, but we'll take it back a step by touching the toes down. We're at level 3. So again, we'll lift up the right foot. You'll start with the heel tight towards the buttocks. Now you're going to reach your right knee way back, and I reach my arms way forward. For level 3, I will touch the toes down, then lower the knee, and push off the toes. Reach back the right knee. Touch the toes down when needed. Push off the toes and get tall, fully extending in the hips. Now we start using the toes less and yet less. Touch the knee. Maybe you just need a little push off with the toes. Level 4. No toes. Okay? Focus your eyes on something. This is balancing work. This is strength work. Last final level for the shrimp squat is holding on to the back foot. You can hold the back foot with the same hand, reach the opposite arm forward, same exact drill. Focus your eyes, find your balance. See it from the front. Stay tall, stay tight. There you have it. So a quick little tutorial on the shrimp squat. I hope you learned something, and I hope you will apply these exercises to your practice at home. And if you liked this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. More great stuff to come. Thanks for following.